guys, hoping you guys are doing fine like I am here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on FIVERR. So make sure to like this video, guys, because it's gonna be very interesting and informative. Okay. So guys, I'm going to be talking about two things: how to get started on FIVERR and how to make money. So I'll put the timestamps in the description box down below in case you guys want to skip one part and go to the next part. So in case you've not heard of FIVERR before, this is an app that allows you to sell your services, and it has over 2,000 services that you can sell. So whichever thing you can do, as long as you have something, you have a skill you can offer, FIVERR is the best place for you, and it has a flat rate. It always charges $5. Like, that is the maximum amount you can charge. So it's a good place to make money if you want a side hustle. So I'm going to start with the first part: how to get started on FIVERR. So the first thing you're going to need is to download the FIVERR app on Play Store. It's so easy. Once you download it, you go and sign up for FIVERR.
This is how the app looks like. So the first thing you have to do is to choose what you want to do. So you're going to continue immediately. Click continue. And then now sign up for FIVERR. You can choose whatever site you want to continue with to sign up with, so that you can create your profile. Once you're done signing up, this is how the app looks like. This is the dashboard. You're shown the popular services that are there for you to do. I bet they're so easy. You cannot lack one or two things that you can do. Remember, there are more than 250 jobs to do here on FIVERR, and it's super easy. So now here on the farthest end down below, you can see a profile icon. So you select that icon so that you can set up your account. Make sure to put up everything. You can see my interests, language, currency, about. Put everything. Make sure to fill in each and every gap that is there. And yeah, after you're done with that, your profile is already set and you're ready to go.
And this one will take you maybe 30 to 40 minutes depending on what information you put. I would really advise you guys to put so much information. Make sure you fill in all the gaps there. Step number 3 is to create your own gigs. So here you need to put all the services that you can offer and the amount of money that you charge. So you all know that for FIVERR the limit is $5. You cannot charge more than that. That is so quick, I know. After you're done with all that, sit down, relax, and wait for orders. Yep.
One way you can make money on FIVERR without even having to work is through inviting your friends. As you can see down below here, you're being told invite your friend and get up to $100. So one of the main ways to get money on FIVERR while seated and relaxing without doing any job is to invite your friends and earn money. So for example, when you put your link on WhatsApp, this is how it's going to appear, and you can share this link in as many sites as you can. So if you have many friends who have not yet discovered FIVERR, you can try your luck.
Just make sure to be checking on the app regularly, maybe twice per week or something, because of course when you're beginning you won't get many gigs, but after that, yeah, let's go to the next step, which is how to make money on FIVERR. So definitely once you're on FIVERR, you're guaranteed of getting jobs. But then, do everyone get jobs there? No, you need to know the tips. So I'm going to be giving you guys the tips to be considered, the tips that you need so that you can get gigs easily, okay? So the first thing is to make sure you get good customer review. So if you get your first person, like if you get your first gig, Make sure you do that job diligently, because the review that customer is going to give you will determine now how you'll continue living on that app. Yes, it's true. If that person reviews you badly, all the other people will be coming and then they see that review and then they don't work with you. So make sure you do a good job and be careful. You don't want to get a bad review. Another thing is to make sure you meet deadlines. So if you're given any offer, if you're given any job, make sure to do it right away, to do it on time. By the time that duration is over, be done. You can even get done even before. The quickest way to get a job on FIVERR or a gig is to make sure you have a killer title and a killer description. Yeah, killer title. For example, if you put something that you can do, make sure it's something that will catch the eye very quick. If you can do graphic design, let your title be very clear that you're a graphic designer. And then in your description, make sure it has SEO, like it is search engine optimized, so that if anyone goes there to FIVERR and searches for somebody to do that kind of a job, you'll be among the first ones to pop up on their notifications. So make sure to do SEO early enough and enough SEO so that, you know, every time somebody searches, your name appears or your name pops up. Another way to attract people is to use very attractive images. Of course, the first impression will be the image. So if you want to attract people to your profile or people to come and give you jobs, make sure you use very attractive images so that people can easily click on you. On FIVERR, we work with the fact that a book sells with the cover, or judge a book with the cover, something of that sort. So people judge the book by the cover there. So make sure your image is so attractive and appealing. Another tip so that you can make money or so that you can get more customers is to give people offers and discounts. So if somebody has been your customer once and then they come again, give them a discount. You know, you don't have to give them a very huge discount, but at least be nice enough to give people discounts. That's an incentive, and it's going to make that person come back again and again, and they will review you good. They'll refer more people, you know. Yeah, because reviewing is so important. Like customer rating, there is everything. So FIVERR doesn't want people who are not doing their jobs well. So make sure to follow all those tips, guys. I don't know if I've left anything. Just in case I have, comment down below. Ask me any questions that I have not answered, and I'll be answering all your questions, guys. Yeah, I'm hoping to see you guys in tomorrow's video. In the meantime, watch my other videos so that you can gain more insight. And yeah, until next time,